Hello ladies, welcome to another one of my videos. Hope you're all doing fine. Today I am going to go through the process of buying a crypto on Binance and then sending it to my Metamask wallet. So I'm using the Binance Lite version for this video. If any of you all want me to make a video about how to use the Pro version, please let me know in the comments. So I first click on the yellow icon there and I'm going to buy me some BNB. I actually am buying this BNB because I felt short on gas fees, like transaction fees for a particular transaction. So that's why I just need to add some BNB. I'll explain that in a bit. So I'm just going to choose UPI because I prefer to do it that way. And I'm just going to hit confirm. And now, basically, for privacy reasons, I'm going to just censor the name. So once I go to payment page, what I see in front of me is his or her UPI address, and I'm going to just click that ID. So now I have paid the seller, and now I'm back, and I'm basically just going to press transferred, notify seller. Once I've done that, it says releasing. So he'll take a couple of minutes to release it. But once he does, I should get a notification saying that I received my cryptocurrency. If it takes too long, you can always chat with the seller and just tell him that I've sent it. Okay, or just whatever you like. You just tell him that you've sent him. Now, this is a small amount for 500, but please be very careful when you do these kinds of transactions with bigger amounts. Here we go, and now it says this amount of BNB has been deposited into my wallet, and now I can just say done. Okay, that's done, and let's just go check our wallet now. So if I come here, I would see 452. The rest of it went in transaction fees and processing fees and all of that. And if the rate of BNB continues to drop, this figure is going to keep reducing by a little bit. I mean, it's not that much. Well, now let's just continue on to see how we can send this BNB to our Metamask wallets. So begin by clicking it, and then we're going to say withdraw. And now these are the details that you're going to have to get from your Metamask wallet. And the first one is address. I'll show you how to copy paste that in a minute. Network. This is something we have to check, that both the network on Binance as well as the network on our Metamask wallet is the same. Otherwise, we could just end up losing this cryptocurrency. And the amount. Now you can see the available. Now I just want to take out everything. So I can just say press max and it'll max out everything without leaving anything in my wallet. That particular token. Okay, now I'm going to do this on the Binance Smart Chain. Okay, for now, I'm just going to leave it at that. I haven't done this. I'm going to come back in a minute for that. Now I've signed into my wallet. Currently, if I look up here and open up networks, it says that I'm connected to the Harmony mainnet. That is not the network I want to be on. I want to be on the Smart Chain. Automatically, I see BNB. Now, this was the issue. I have only 2 rupees worth of BNB. I needed more to process another transaction, and that's why I have to do all this rework. Now, coming back to gas fees and transaction, whenever you're trying to swap something, especially on the Binance Smart Chain will accept BNB as transaction fees, right? So you'll always have to have a little bit of BNB left in your wallet, either when, let's say, you're staking something on a protocol. You may have enough to stake it, but when you want to unstake it and you've emptied out your whole wallet of BNB, then you'll realize that, oh, I needed some. And then you're going to have to do this process that I just did all over again. All right, so that's why we're doing this now. But oh well, you'll get a video out of it. So here I'm going to just click on that, and it says public address copy to clipboard. Now I can just go into Binance and paste it there. Just make sure again that everything is okay. Yeah, seems good. BSC network verification. I'm not going to I'm not going to do anything with that because I'm pretty sure that this is it. Binance Smart Chain, I've maxed it out, receive amount, and now I'm just going to click on withdraw. And now I'll click on confirm. This is just a warning to make sure you understand the risks, because if you get the contact, if you get the address wrong, obviously I already told you, you will lose it. So once you click, I fully understand the potential risks associated. So that little yellow thingy is ticked. Then you press confirm. Now, 3 steps of verification, right? I think I've already covered this in one of my videos, but anyway, this is what you have to do. Now, a lot of people just keep waiting for these codes. Like it says here, code will be sent, but the code will only be sent if you press send code. So please press send code. A friend of mine just waited for about 15 minutes, which I don't know. Is that a common mistake? It wasn't for me. 276606. Okay. 276606, and I will get one in my email. And this I'm just going to show you really quickly. I'm just going to go to my Google Authenticator app. Binance is already there. It times out in 30 seconds, so you got to be quick about this. So I've got that. I've got the verification code, copy, come here, and I click submit. And my request is submitted. And I'm just going to basically have to wait for some time and then keep checking my wallet for when it shows up. And it will show up if we have done everything correctly. And says get your first crypto. So obviously there is no crypto in my Binance wallet anymore, and it's going to show up in my Metamask. And here we go, guys. Here is 484 worth of BNB that I sent to my wallet. So that's the end of this video. You have now successfully found out how you can buy your first crypto on Binance using P2P. If you enjoy more videos on crypto investments, definitely subscribe to my channel. Click that bell notification so that you know every time I make new videos. And I make new videos every day. Okay, now bye.